Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark, and I'm back to do an unboxing of an item. And what did I get? Well, no chit chat, let's open it with what exactly? Oh yeah, with this, like now. Alrighty, so the first unboxing you're going to be seeing here, this is going to be one of the two. Later in the evening, stick around for a new video that I'm going to be posting soon. So, enough chit-chatting, I'm going to show you first off what did I get in the mail from the first box you see. Wait a second. Holy cow. It is the FPS, first person shooter, the definitive FPS documentary. That's right, folks. First person shooter video games, going back to like say late 80s, early 90s. Heck, anybody grew up on video games, heck, I'm pretty sure you all remember FPS games like Duke Nukem, Doom, and also the iconic James Bond video game GoldenEye, which iconically is the ultimate video game of FPS. And of course, for hardcore fans who have seen the films of the James Bond franchise, you get what I'm saying. As well as very other known FPS games on your PCs, Nintendos. Okay, so this comes like in a slip box, but it's flimsy, it's not a hard box. But these are coming from the folks that brought us the In Search of Darkness trilogy. And of course, I'm just gonna like hold it right here. You can pause it, you can read it very carefully. Same here, read it, pause it, and read it very carefully. No no special artwork. And it's all region. I gotta get this a watch one of these days. So yeah, it has two subtitles, English and Spanish, and also it's a 275-minute documentary about the FPS. So this has been in circulation for 2 years since its announcement. So those who got it, good for that. If you didn't, oh well, you lost it. You lost your chance. So yeah, and this was directed by David L. Cardock and Christopher Stranton. Or I can't even say it. Stranton, yeah, Stratton. Huh. I can't even say the name right. I'm probably butchering it. Creator VC, all region, full HD, 1080p, 1080. So yeah, look at it from the side. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful design. So yeah, comes with a box slip cover, not a hard one. I was expecting to be hard. Well, no, gotta give this a watch. Maybe I'll do a review of it soon. And it comes with a poster and the 3 set of stickers. But the poster, it's gonna be one of these 3. I already know this is it. So it comes with a 4 sticker, no, 5. 3 of them are poster arts, and this is the famous logo you saw on the Blu-ray, and same thing that you saw online. Pretty rad and cool. So yeah, the poster, it's neatly folded. I believe it comes in 3s. Holy shit. But anyways, good packaging. Nothing to argue about that. So yeah, and also stick around by 8 p.m. or sometime around maybe later in the evening. Check out a second video. It finally arrived. And you just check out the next video that you're about to see. So yeah, if you like content like this or any other content, click the bell on the subscribe button to be notified about new uploads. Like the videos, please appreciate some thumbs up, and also have any opinions, what you guys think, comment down below. If you have any questions, comment down below as well. So yeah. So y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care, God bless you, and enjoy Thursday afternoon. Hear you and see you on the next vid. Catch you later, y'all, and bye.